Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious lobster butter. First, ensure your lobster meat is cooked and ready. You'll need about 8 ounces of it, along with 1 cup of good unsalted butter. Don't forget your aromatics, 1 small shallot and 2 cloves of garlic, both finely minced. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's infuse that wonderful flavor. Gently melt your 1 cup of unsalted butter in a saucepan over low heat. Once melted, add your finely chopped lobster meat, along with the minced shallots and garlic. Let this mixture simmer very gently for about 15 minutes. This slow infusion allows the butter to absorb all the rich essence of the lobster. After simmering, it's time to strain. Carefully pour the warm butter mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Make sure to press down on the solids to extract every last drop of that delicious, infused liquid. This step ensures your lobster butter is smooth and free of any bits, ready for chilling. Once strained, chill your lobster butter in the refrigerator until it solidifies completely. You can then transfer it to an airtight container, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week, or freeze it for longer storage. This rich, flavorful butter is perfect for seafood, vegetables, or even toast. And hey, for staying hydrated, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.